Okay, so if you have a broken back windshield wiper like I do right here, what I was doing, I was trying to put a new blade on and I ended up pushing it and it snapped the tip right off. This is a very small tip. Now, a lot of cars are going to be different, but they're going to be kind of the same in the same way. And I'm going to show you the tools that I use to replace this back windshield wiper. So if you lift this cap off right there, there's an accessible bolt right here. This is a 13 millimeter. Now, yours might be different. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you real quick on how to do this. Take this off. Now there's a washer on here. Do not lose that washer. Here's the new wiper arm. I'm gonna verify that it fits. You guys see how small Ford designed this? It's a very small piece of plastic. Now over time, sun, it just UV, it breaks it down, and then you go to put a new wiper on, and you can kind of see the design of this is not a very good design. Now other ones might be different. Now you're asking yourself, so to get this off, you notice I can't pull this off. What I did, I got this little puller set right here. Now this is a kind of a battery terminal puller and a windshield wiper blade puller. So it's going to go on. What it does, it pinches onto it right here like this, and you're going to kind of like screw that piece down. Make sure you get right up under the metal, and I'll show you how nice this thing works. Do not torque and pull on this wiper. You guys see what I've done right here? See how that little piece goes on here? Watch this. That's how quickly that went off. So this is a handy item. Actually, this is an item that I recommend just having in your kind of like toolkit in general for pulling battery terminals off, windshield wiper blades or something like that. Now, check this out. So this lifts up, slides on. One thing I should have done is mark this, but I'm pretty good. I know basically where it goes. Actually, let's go ahead and get to this. This kit right here came with a new wiper blade right here. I'm just going to save that wiper blade. Let's get the kit out. You're going to need, it's going to be this one right here. That pops down into place. Now this should go on here like this. That's it. That's how simple that goes on there. That's the new Rain X wiper right there. It's a little dirty because I put it out in there. Now I'm just going to push this down on here, line it up. I can see where my old mark is. You can put a piece of tape on it, but you see the line right here. I'm going to go right there on that line, put the washer on here, and then get it started. Now it should just cinch down on there once it gets going. See how it's just pushing it down on there? It don't take much, and that's it. It's on there, everybody. Now wiper blade is good. Let's go ahead, let's start it up and let it work and see what it looks like. Okay, so we just turned the key on. There it goes. It's on an intermittent right there. That is perfect. That's right on the line, and you can see, actually let's squirt a little bit of fluid. You guys see that? Perfect. It's right on that line right there. I'm okay with it going like that. Now, does that not look so much better? That was such an easy replacement. I see so many people that just have these and they just tape them up. I actually taped mine up. You guys see that? That was probably a 5-minute process. That was so easy to do. Something I recommend for anyone that just has a broken windshield wiper arm that needs to fix it. These things break all the time. Definitely get you one of the tools. And this kit actually came with a couple of, so I'm keeping that for other uses. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the rear windshield wiper replacement. See y'all in the next video.